All right, we're going to go over this method. I know a lot of you struggled on it. So most of you got the initials part of it. It was just everything else that was giving you trouble. So what I've done, I've replaced what was there with pass. Pass is what you put in a method if you want to leave it blank for now and you don't want it to error. But I'm going to go do this in the scratch pad and we'll copy and paste this in a minute. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to go ahead and print, which is not what we were supposed to do. But we're going to test this method on Carter Hung. And y'all did a pretty good job of getting the first initial and then adding a period and then getting the last initial plus period. The reason we did first 0 is, remember, 0 is the first index. So that's going to be the first character of first and the first character of last there. So let's see what happens if I run this. There we go. But the problem is, and I think the thing that messed everybody up is the program wasn't supposed to print it. It was supposed to return it. So what we needed to do is we need to replace this with return. Now, we're also going to need to change this in a minute, but let's see what happens here. Nothing. Oh my goodness, my method doesn't work. Well, it does work, but what it does is it hands you a string, and you can do whatever you want with it. So I can print the initials. I can say the initials of Carter McClung are so the method itself is not printing, it's handing you a string and saying, do with it what you want to do with it. So this is what you should have had in your unit test. Some of you created variables for the first initial and last initial, and that's fine. Okay, but that was the basic idea. Let's do one more. Okay, so we want to grab the first letter and the last letter. So all you needed here was string at 0 plus string at -1. Remember, -1 is always the last index of the string. So that was all there was to that. Again, the thing that was freaking everyone out is you don't need a print statement. It hands you the string, and then if you want to print, you just add, hey, I'm going to print sandwich can't spell sandwich, but and that would print the first and last letter.